Stuck boat. Or Broken Boat Mulla Nasrudin ran towards the river. It gave hope for a better tomorrow. He had to go on a tour. He was in a hurry and was anxious not to miss the last boat of the day. As he approached the river, he saw that the boat had just left. He ran and jumped onto the boat, slipped, fell down, clothes torn, elbows scratched and bleeding. This shows us the power of belief. But he stood up with great satisfaction on his achievement and with great pride told the other travelers, "I managed to reach. I was late but still caught the boat." The other travelers in the boat said, "We do not understand. What was the hurry? This boat is not going, it is coming." Thank you for listening. Join the journey, subscribe for more stories.